Dude,
Go high. Start the video. Go high. Go high. Go high. Go high. Just go high. Go high. Go high. Go high. Yeah. Keep it high. Keep it high. Keep it high. Keep going. 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 No, go high. Just gun it up.
No, because I can't. Like,
doesn't matter. Just gun it up.
I don't
You
like landing in someone's backyard.
You film.
Yeah, Alright, first I'll just go like this.
For what?
You
Go
film.
inside. I don't have that much longer. I have to go to basketball soon.
You film. Me? No. Cole does.
Wait. Just gun in the air. Cool. I don't
No,
know.
what do you do? A guy in the limbo just says, "Oh, teach my hero 5 Black Edition." He gives you all the charge to you like
It's
this.
still filming.
Just walk away. Then make it happen.
Go!
But I'm gonna show you this funny deal. And like,
What the heck is wrong
with all these fake meat, I'm gonna show you all these fake
Yeah, I can't even turn it.
See, that's what I'm saying. Just gun it in the air.
No, it's gonna land in someone's yard. Like that.
Alright, you're putting it there. Go inside. I'm gonna go poke him in the tree.
Gone wrong. Should we go get it? They don't care. They're teenagers. Who's in that house? He's looking. What'd you do, Cole? I'm not taking it. Dude, it's dying.
It's dying. It's separate.
Gotten wrong.
You guys are holding the wife on it?
I don't know. What's Cole doing? It's yours.
What?
It's your drone. Yeah, just throw it down. We'll grab it. Just throw it. Go, Cole.
What?
Gone wrong. Go, Cole. That drone is so bad. Thank you. Did that go wrong?
Oh, yeah.
Did it went wrong?
Let's go inside.